following county: Tama, Iowa. Northwest winds near 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour expected. The areas affected include portions of northern into eastern Iowa. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 8 p.m. this evening to 6 a.m. Monday. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects, including holiday decorations. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. A wind advisory has been issued from 11 p.m. until 9 a.m. Monday for the following counties: in Iowa: Benton, Cedar, Delaware, Iowa, Johnson, Jones, Keokuk, Lynn, and Washington. A wind advisory has been issued from 8 p.m. until 6 a.m. Monday for the following county: Tama, Iowa. The statement is, for the following counties: in Iowa: Benton, Cedar, Delaware, Iowa, Johnson, Jones, Keokuk, Lynn, and Washington. Northwest winds 20 to 25 miles an hour with gusts up to 45 miles an hour expected. The areas affected include portions of northwest Illinois and east central, northeast, and southeast Iowa. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 11 p.m. this evening to 9 a.m. Monday. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects, including holiday decorations. Tree limbs could be blown down, leading to isolated power outages. Additional details: a strong cold front will move through tonight, accompanied by an abrupt increase in northwest winds. The front will reach areas north of I-80 between 10 p.m. and midnight, and south of I-80 between midnight and 2 a.m. In addition to the strong wind gusts, occasional flurries and a few isolated snow showers are possible. The windy conditions will continue through the day on Monday, gradually decreasing through the late morning and early afternoon. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Secure outdoor objects. NOAA Weather Radio Station G64 in Delaware is experiencing technical difficulties. Technicians are working on the problem. We apologize for any inconvenience. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXL61 in Cedar Rapids.